I'm born and bred in Grange, so I've grown up here literally all my life. I'm a director of Grange Pavilion Youth Forum. We're a community interest company, and our whole role in the community is essentially getting opportunities for youth in the area and supporting them in whatever way that they need. So some days we'll be having a bit of fun, so like tonight we have a game board night planned. As well as the game board night today in Green Room, we'll be doing a project with NICU, which is the National Infrastructure Commission for Wales. So they're one of our long-standing partners and people we've been doing a project with for a while.
We're doing a role-playing game called The Rising Tide, where people take on different personas and they look at things from different perspectives, maybe as a business owner, maybe as a farmer, maybe as an activist, exploring ways in which people can understand a little bit more about climate change. And the Pavilion's brilliant. The Pavilion is such a brilliant space to be able to do this. So when you're talking about genuine community centres or community infrastructure, that there's no barriers there, genuinely community owned.
I used to come get mentoring here at the old Balls Pavilion, and that's how I met lots of other young people in the area, so we got to know each other. That's also where I met Nurushan, one of the original directors of the Grange Pavilion Youth Forum, and we incorporated it back in 2018, so it became a community interest company. We were both 18 at the time, which was quite exciting. So I first met Amira when I was doing a presentation in her high school, so we went to do some outreach, and she was really interested and very, very proactive and showed real interest in community work. To help a community, you've got to first help yourself. So giving them a platform where they can grow as well as young people. They're the ones that keep the place running. And now they all actually have jobs in the Grange Pavilion as well, so local people being employed locally, extremely important for them to have like a say in what happens here as well, and like the governance of this place. People that care about the same thing and that are value driven and that have a people first approach. It's really important that, you know, you wake up in the morning and you're like, actually I have a community here and I can help out in whatever capacity I have.
We can only do a small part, but when we all do work together, we can make such a big impact in the community, because if we're not going to work together to make the community better, then who is, you know?
Volunteers run the world. If we all just did our jobs and left it there, then the world would collapse. I feel like volunteering is such an important thing, and yeah, it's vital to our society that we find something that we're passionate about and we keep striving to make it better.